Holy cow, everyone. The PI network drama just hit nuclear levels. Two massive announcements just dropped that you absolutely need to know about. We're talking exchange delistings, blocked countries, and price crashes. This is absolutely wild. Hey everyone, Gold Rush here, and buckle up because today's video is going to be absolutely packed with breaking news about PI network. If you're holding PI or thinking about getting involved, you need to hear this. But before we dive in, quick reminder to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the crypto game. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. Alright, let's dive into this bombshell news. I'm starting with this fascinating article from Crypto Times that just dropped. Crypto Times is reporting on a shocking move by HTX, folks. They're delisting the Pi IOU token and halting all trading. One of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, HTX, announced that it will support the long-awaited launch of the Pi network, Pi mainnet, by taking down its IOU-based Pi token and exchanging user holdings for United States dollar tether at a rate of 1:61.28. The exchange will stop all Pi IOU coin trading on February 13th at 0800 Coordinated Universal Time. Open orders will be automatically canceled. User spot accounts will be automatically credited with the converted assets. Delisting. Folks, HTX is taking down the Pi IOU token. They're stopping all trading, canceling open orders, and converting user holdings to United States dollar tether at a rate of 1:61.28. This is a major development, and it's raising a lot of questions. I mean, is this a good thing or a bad thing? Now, the article does mention that HTX plans to list the new PI token after the mainnet launch. Also, HTX confirmed that the new Pi token will be listed after the mainnet launch. In a statement, the exchange said, once the mainnet launches successfully, HTX will quickly list the new token Pi and open spot trading services. Users were asked to stay tuned for more information. They're planning to list the real Pi token after the mainnet launch, folks. That's good news. But why delist the IOU now? The article mentions that HTX's delisting has also filled a gap in Pi IOU trading, as the coin recently plunged 21% in just a day. The article states that Pi Network is a blockchain project focused on mobile devices and that it has millions of users. Okay, we've covered the HTX delisting, but now, let's move on to another concerning development. Let's check out this article from CCN, titled, Pi Network to block China and other regions from trading, exchange confirms. CCN is reporting on some potentially troubling news, folks. OKX, another major exchange planning to list Pi, is announcing an isolated listing mode, and it could mean restrictions for users in certain regions, including mainland China. Ahead of the mainnet launch on February 20th, OKX, the crypto exchange planning to list the Pi coin, announced that the project will adopt an isolated listing mode. As a result, some countries where users participated in mining the cryptocurrency might face access restrictions. According to the crypto exchange, Pi Network was the one that set the requirements. Though OKX says it is not sure what countries it will restrict, it expects mainland China to be part. Isolated listing mode, folks, and potential access restrictions for users in certain regions, possibly including mainland China. This is not what we want to hear. And OKX is saying that Pi Network itself set these requirements. This is raising a lot of eyebrows, people. I mean, is this fair to all the users who have been mining for years? The article highlights the growing frustration among Pi Network miners. Due to this restriction, users in the country and other regions might not be able to trade or deposit the Pi coin. This uncertainty has sparked frustration among Pi Network miners, many of whom have waited years to access liquidity for their holdings. Some community members argue that these restrictions contradict the project's initial promise of inclusivity. Frustration, folks. Years of waiting, and now some users might not even be able to trade or deposit their Pi coins. This goes against Pi Network's initial promise of inclusivity. This is a major concern, and some critics are calling this isolated listing mode a red flag. For instance, a certain user on X, formerly Twitter, with the handle FOMO Hunter, noted that Pi Network's strategy seems shady. Isolated listing mode is a red flag for liquidity and access. Always question the impact on trading volume and market dynamics. Strategy over speculation, the users stated. Shady, folks. That's what some people are saying. This isolated listing mode is raising concerns about liquidity, access, trading volume, and market dynamics. This is not a good look for Pi Network. And the article reminds us that this isn't the first time Pi Network has faced criticism. Critics argue that Pi Network's prolonged delays and lack of transparent communication have fueled skepticism. Earlier in the week, users highlighted concerns about Pi Network's Know Your Customer (KYC) process. Skeptics also argue that if Pi Network were truly ready for mainnet, more Tier 1 exchanges would be lining up to list it despite a few other additions. Prolonged delays, lack of transparent communication, know your customer issues, folks. These are all concerns that have been raised about Pi Network. And some skeptics are saying that if Pi were truly ready for mainnet, more top-tier exchanges would be lining up to list it. Even the chief executive officer of Bybit dismissed calls for the exchange to list the Pi coin. And what about the Pi IOU price? Meanwhile, the Pi IOU price has erased part of the gains it had earlier in the week. On February 12th, when the project disclosed plans to launch the open network, the price rallied above $93. However, as of this writing, the value has plunged by double digits and currently trades at $61.28. In addition, Pi Network has yet to address OKX's allegation that the directive came directly from them. A double-digit plunge, folks. The Pi IOU price has dropped significantly since the open network announcement, and Pi Network hasn't yet responded to OKX's claim that the trading restrictions came from them. This silence is deafening. People. Okay, let's connect the dots here. We have a major exchange, HTX, delisting the Pi IOU token. We have another major exchange, OKX, potentially restricting trading in certain regions, including mainland China. We have growing frustration within the Pi Network community about delays and lack of transparency. And we have a Pi IOU price that's plummeting. In my opinion, this is a very concerning situation for Pi Network. The delisting and potential trading restrictions are major red flags. It raises serious questions about Pi Network's legitimacy and its ability to deliver on its promises. The lack of communication from the Pi core team is also troubling. They need to address these concerns and provide more clarity to their community. So, what do you think? Is Pi Network in trouble? Are these exchange delistings and trading restrictions a sign of things to come? Or is this just a temporary setback before a major breakout? Let me know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos for more expert analysis and insights into the crypto market. I love hearing from you guys, so let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What other crypto projects are you watching? What are your strategies for navigating this market? Let's build this crypto community together. All right, crypto fam, that's all for today's episode of Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Remember, the crypto market is a wild ride, so always stay informed, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is Gold Rush, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.